Welcome to this tutorial on creating and assigning a menu in WordPress. In this session, you will learn how to log into your WordPress account, access your site editor, and use the navigation features to add pages to your menu, as well as create submenus. We will walk through each step carefully so that even if you are new to WordPress, you will be able to follow along with ease. To begin, start by visiting the WordPress website. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner where you will find the login option. Click on this login button, which will initiate the authentication process. When presented with the option to continue with Google, select this choice. A list of your Google accounts will appear. Pick the appropriate account that you want to use to log in. This process provides a quick and secure login method so you can immediately get started with editing your website. After you have successfully logged in, navigate to the quick link section. In this area, look for the option labeled Edit Site. That is your entry point to begin customizing your website. Once you click on Edit Site, you will see a list of your website projects. From there, click on the specific website you wish to work on in order to open the site editor. Within the site editor, locate the navigation section. This is where you will manage your website's menu items. When you click on navigation, you are taken to the area that controls the primary navigation structure of your site. In this section, you might see a group of 3 dots representing additional options. Click on these 3 dots to reveal further settings. After opening the extra options, you will find an option to edit. Click on Edit to access the menu customization tools. At this point, you are in a mode where you can add a new page to your navigation menu. To include a page, simply add the desired page into your navigation list. This gives you the flexibility to design your site structure exactly the way you want it. Once you add a page, the next step is to choose which specific page you want to include in your menu. Carefully review your list of pages and click on the desired page to add it to your menu. This step ensures that the page you want your visitors to see is accessible through the main navigation. After the page has been added to the menu, click on the page entry itself for further options. When you click on the page, you will see several configuration icons. Look for the icon that represents adding a submenu. This is particularly useful if you want to include additional pages or subcategories under a main menu item. Click on the Add Submenu icon to open up the submenu options. Finally, choose the page that you want to add as a submenu under the main menu item you just configured. By selecting the appropriate page, you can create a hierarchical menu structure that will help visitors navigate your site more intuitively. When you complete this process, do a brief review of the navigation menu to ensure that all pages and submenus appear as you intended. This completes the process of creating and assigning a menu in WordPress. By following these steps, you now have a fully customized navigation menu that enhances the overall user experience on your website. Enjoy the benefits of a well-organized website layout.